Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP server on Windows 11 operating system. But first of all, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and most importantly, press the bell icon so that you get to know my latest videos and updates. Now first of all, I need to open the Google Chrome browser from here, and then let me just open new window, and in the Google search bar I'll type XAMPP download, and I'm going to click this link. Okay, and afterwards I'm going to download the 64-bit download 64-bit for Windows. Okay, since I have the 64-bit machine, I will click this link and it will start the download process. It will take some time. If the download process is not started, what you need to do, you need to go here in this tab, and okay, it has been started. Now it will take a while and then it will start the download process. Save in the downloads directory. Okay, yes, okay, it will start the download process. It will take some time to complete. I already have this in my system, so I'm going to cancel the download process. So what I need to do, I need to open the exe file and click yes, and afterwards what you need to do, just follow the process. It will take some time. Click OK, click next. Okay, next. So this is where it is going to be installed. I'm going to change the directory, install directory. So I want to install it in my E directory. So where is the E directory? I have to just mention the E, and okay, now click next. Okay, click next. Language, I'm going to select English. Click next. Setup is now ready to install. Okay, click next. Okay, so now it has started the installation process. It will take some time. Now you have to click allow. Okay, click finish, completing the XAMPP setup wizard. So you have to click finish and it will open the XAMPP control panel. So the best practice is just close this. So open the XAMPP server as an administrator. So just search the XAMPP control panel and right click and run as administrator and click yes. And what you need to do, just start the Apache server. Okay, this is the port, it has been started, and then just click admin. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to start the MySQL server as well. Just click start and it will give me an error. The reason it is giving me an error, because of the port. So I have to change the port of this MySQL. Okay, so by default it is using 3306. Just go to the configuration file, go to this file and search this port. Okay, right now the default port is 3306. I'm going to change it to 3309. Okay, just replace it. So what you need to do, you need to click this 3306 and do Control H and replace 3306 with 3309. Replace all. Okay, it has been replaced. Now do Control S to save this file. Now it has been saved. Okay, now next what you need to do, look, if I open this PHP myadmin, this will give me an error. In order to fix this error, what you need to do, you need to go to the directory where this XAMPP server is installed. So just go to the directory. I need to go to my E directory where the XAMPP server is installed. This is where the XAMPP server is installed. Go to PHP myadmin and then go to where? Go to this config.inc file. Open this file as notepad++ or whatever you want. I'm more comfortable with notepad++, and then I will go here, and okay, this is very important. So here what I will do, I will do colon, go to this bind to localhost IPv4 address. So this is the localhost address, colon, and you're going to add the new port number 3309. Okay, just save this. Okay, and just close. Now what you are going to do, you are going to start the MySQL server again, allow. Okay, it has been started with new port 3309. Now go to the admin, and now I'm going to click PHP myadmin, and this is going to open this console. Okay, now you can create a new database. Okay, you can write SQL queries, whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is how you install the XAMPP server on Windows 11 operating system. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and most importantly, press the bell icon so that you get to know my latest videos and updates. Thank you so much and have a great learning.